As the world's first for cordless impacts, the 1-inch D-handle delivers up to 2,000 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and up to 1,900 foot-pounds of fastening torque, allowing diesel techs to remove rusted and over-torqued commercial lug nuts. But taking it a step further, the 1-inch D-handle has the ability to do other heavy equipment maintenance, with the ability to remove and install 2-inch plus bolts. Now, creating the world's most powerful cordless impact wrench also leads to having to manage the vibration that comes along with it. That's why we engineered a patented battery isolator system that is designed to allow battery movement to maximize life and ensure a constant connection between tool and battery. Now, you're all probably wondering, how long is this tool able to deliver that power? That's why we're kitting this tool with the red lithium high output 12 amp hour battery pack, which on this tool allows it to remove and install up to 120 commercial lug nuts on a single charge. That's 12 wheel positions serviced on one pack alone. And we're kitting this tool with 2 packs and a rapid charger, making this not only the ideal tool for road service work, but also the go-to 1-inch D-handle impact that techs can depend on in the shop to get them through a full day's worth of work, without running out the hose, which increases productivity. Over-torqued lug nuts, combined with rust, corrosion, and all the debris that accumulates over time, can make certain lug nuts impossible to remove without a torch. And in certain cases, overstretched nuts can lead to truck wheel-offs, an avoidable danger on our roads that no driver, tech, or shop owner ever wants to experience. At Milwaukee, we've solved this problem on the 1-inch D-handle with lug nut mode, which uses a patented sensor to automatically shut itself off between 350 to 450 foot-pounds, allowing the tech to finish torquing the lug nut with a calibrated torque wrench to their desired torque target, giving them and the shop owner confidence that no lug nuts are over-torqued and all are meeting torque spec. That's just something pneumatic tools have no way to provide.
Let's first start with the M18 Fuel Compact Impact Wrench. The M18 Fuel Compact Impact Wrench is that go-to solution to use in tight space applications because it is the most compact impact wrench in the industry. In 2015, we launched the second generation, which delivered a tool with more power given the smaller package. Now, coming in November, we're launching that third generation that's not only giving more power to the tool, but it's also taking off a full inch from the current generation that's out there today. This full inch that we're shaving off is going to allow auto technicians to be able to get into those tight space applications without having to dismantle components that are surrounding them. Along with the size, these tools deliver up to 250 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, again allowing auto technicians to be able to complete those stubborn, rusted fasteners that they often see in the workplace. Finally, on top of size and power, the M18 Fuel Compact Impact Wrenches are equipped with our new Tri-LEDs to deliver high-definition lighting for maximum workspace visibility and less shadows. Now, let's get into the future of mid-torques. In 2018, we launched the first generation of this tool that bridged the gap between small, compact, and larger, heavier, high-torque impact wrenches. Now we're delivering you a second generation that offers more torque output in a smaller package. The M18 Fuel Mid-Torque Impact Wrench is the most compact impact wrench in the market and almost a full inch shorter than the closest cordless competitor. Along with size, this tool delivers only 5 pounds with a 5.0 battery and up to 650 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, making it the best power-to-weight ratio tool in the market. It also offers faster removal speeds, allowing technicians to complete applications such as tire removal in no time. The combination of size and performance makes the M18 Fuel Mid-Torque Impact Wrench the most well-rounded impact wrench Milwaukee Tool will soon offer, as it enables auto technicians to complete over 90% of their daily applications.
Just a few weeks ago, we announced the new M12 Fuel Multi-Tool. And yes, we got a lot of questions about whether we'd be launching an M18 Fuel version as well. Of course we are! The M18 Fuel Multi-Tool will launch later this year, and it will deliver the best multi-tool experience in the industry, generating the fastest cuts, power for demolition, and the lowest vibration. But that's not all. We're about to put another very sought-after tool into your hands in the form of an M12 23 gauge pin nailer.
Today, I am very excited to walk you through our M12 Fuel Hatchet. The hatchet is optimized for small diameter pruning applications and is designed to meet the size, ergonomic, performance and durability needs of landscape maintenance professionals. Let's take a look at a demonstration in a tight access area that would be very difficult to accomplish with a full-size chainsaw. With the compact design of the hatchet, it delivers greater maneuverability in these tight access applications, allowing me to access the branch and make a precise, controlled cut. With our M12 fuel technology, the tool delivers the power to cut 3-inch hardwoods. Now we are going to demonstrate this in a 3-inch oak dowel rod versus a manual handsaw to show the increase in productivity with a reduction in fatigue. Not only is the hatchet able to complete this demanding application, it delivers cutting up to 5 times faster than the manual handsaw. The tool delivers up to 120 cuts in 2-inch oak, a tremendous amount of runtime to complete full applications on a single charge. The M12 Fuel hatchet delivers a professional feature set, including a full house chain for cleaner cuts and less vibration, an automatic oiler, an easy access chain tensioner, metal bucking spikes, and onboard storage for the scrunch. If you have any pruning applications to complete, this is a must-have tool.
I'm here today to introduce to you the new axe with carbide teeth for pruning and clean wood sawzall blade. Whether you need to do some fast, clean wood demolition or general pruning and delimbing applications on the job, this blade will give you the fastest cuts in clean wood with its 3 TPI design. It also features an optimized carbide grade that is designed for root removal applications and to withstand impacts with abrasives such as small rocks, dirt, and sand that wear out current blades on the market today. Whenever cutting underground, we do recommend first that you check for utility lines or other hazards that could be in the way. To help me out with this root removal application, I'm here with Jake from Worth Services in Wisconsin, and what we've already done is remove the top of the tree and the limbs, and now we're left with the stump. Jake, when you guys are on the job, what equipment do you normally use for a root removal application?
Typically, we're going to bring a skid loader in here, and we're either going to use forks to dig it out or a chain to pull it out.
Okay. And then between the lawn maintenance that you may need after the fact and getting the equipment in position in the first place, you could be looking at 30 minutes to an hour worth of work, right?
Absolutely, yeah, 30 minutes to an hour easily.
Well, then let's see what the new Sawzall blade can do. So this blade is coming out in September with 6-inch, 9-inch, and 12-inch blade lengths, along with 5 additional carbide Sawzall blades and lengths, now allowing us to offer you the best carbide blade for every application.
I'm excited to introduce to you 3 new innovations coming to the job site cleanup space, all allowing you to clean faster, be more productive, and be more efficient while you're on the job site. Starting with the M18 Fuel Compact Vacuum. Powerful, compact, and with the ultimate versatility, this vacuum is engineered to give you the best spot cleanup experience that you've ever had. It all starts with our patented 2-stage debris separation. While other competitive vacuums on job sites might not be built to handle the harsh material you guys are seeing day to day, this vacuum separates out debris before it gets in and cycles through your vacuum and gets into your filter. That way it allows you to pick up these harsher job site materials without bogging down or losing any suction. Additionally, we gave this vacuum up to 50% more sustained suction versus the competition. No longer do you have to stop in the middle of when you're cleaning up to clear other clogs. This one allows you to power through all of that debris because we really made it and designed it to handle all of that job site material. I want to show you how much better we are at performance by going through this quick demo. Pay attention to how we clean up all of this material, while as this competitor starts to pick it up, eventually it becomes bogged down and even becomes completely clogged towards the end of the demo. Maximum versatility allows you to get more work done. A lot of times when you're walking onto the job site, you aren't really exactly sure what type of cleanup environment you might come across that day. That's why we've equipped this tool with 5 dedicated solutions: a powered floor tool, bare floor tool, round brush tool, utility nozzle, and even a hose with a crevice tool attachment. This allows you to be prepared for any situation that you might come across. This maximum versatility really allows you to get more work done throughout your day. Next, I'm excited to introduce you to 2 new vacuums coming to the wet-dry cleanup space, beginning with the M18 Fuel Pack-Out 2.5-gallon wet-dry vacuum. This vacuum has been one of the most requested power tools to be compatible with our Pack-Out system. Cleaning faster is the name of the game. This vacuum delivers up to 60% more suction compared to other competitors. This gives you enough power and enough performance to clean up any of the materials you guys are seeing regularly on job sites. In order to prove to you how much power this unit has, I want to show you this quick demo against this 20-volt competitor. Pay attention to how much faster we clean our pile of debris compared to them, and also envision how much time this will save you on the job site and throughout your day. Ease of transportation and mobility is also very important. This vacuum has unmatched mobility and less downtime, saving you time on site. It's fully compatible anywhere on the pack-out system. Additionally, you can use this vacuum on or off the pack-out stack. A lot of times you are working in occupied locations around other people. We took that into account and made this vacuum up to 2 times quieter to be optimized for use in those occupied spaces. No longer do you have to worry about being noisy and disrupting everyone else around you on site. I want to introduce you to the newest innovation in the M12 cleanup space, the M12 Fuel 1.6 gallon wet dry vacuum. We're bringing a cordless wet dry vacuum to the 12-volt platform for the very first time. This is truly the first of its kind 12-volt wet dry vacuum. With up to 40% more suction than other 18-volt competitors, we are still giving you all the power that you need to get your work done faster. In order to prove this, I want to show you a quick demo where we pick up some water against another 20-volt competitor. Saving space is also important. A lot of times you're working out of a van or a truck where space is hard to come by. We've made this with a small stackable design that stores neatly in a van or a cart. It also has our organized internal accessory storage, which keeps all of your components neatly under the lid. Additionally, we have also incorporated a hanging feature on this vacuum for additional storage options. All of this together makes this the most compact 12-volt wet dry vacuum. We also made this vacuum up to 2 times quieter than traditional wet dry vacuums. At just 87 decibels in normal operation, this vacuum is much quieter than other vacuums you're used to using on site, creating a better working experience for you and everyone else around. As you can see, we're really expanding in the job site cleanup space. Fuel is allowing us to reach new performance levels. Look for all 3 of these vacuums to start shipping in mid-October.
Let's face it, the drain cleaning industry has experienced far too little innovation for far too long. So in the last couple years, you've probably noticed that Milwaukee Tool has been getting into the drain cleaning industry in a big way. This year, we're keeping that momentum going with not only the most portable sectional machine, but also the most powerful in its class. With more power than corded, this machine can power through heavy roots up to 150 feet out. The new M18 Fuel sectional machine for 5/8 and 7/8 inch cube.
The power in the M18 sectional machine is phenomenal. I have not had any issues with it at all. Being underpowered, if anything, it actually probably has more power than the current sectional machine that I use. I ran a sewer line that was infested with roots for about 32 feet. And I had no issues whatsoever using a 2.5 inch C cutter.
I have cleared large root blockages in 4 to 6 inch pipe. I've cleared corrosion stoppages in cast iron. I've also cleared grease stoppages in PVC. And so far it has outperformed my other machines when it comes to roots for sure, because it doesn't bog down. On one full charge in the 12 amp battery, we have completed 7 different stoppages.
I've been able to complete jobs at over 6 consecutive different addresses to clear multiple stoppages, running multiple vents per address. So the runtime on this M18 sectional machine has been very impressive with how it can keep up. With the M18 sectional machine being so much lighter than the current machine that I use, I have definitely been able to carry more. I can carry the machine over my shoulder. I can carry cables in one hand and the box of heads or tarps or whatever I need. I can definitely eliminate multiple trips.
Well, it sounds like that little machine packs quite a punch. Be sure to keep an eye out for the sectional machine later this year. I had some time to sit down with my old friend Brian Alves for a special pipeline behind the products look at the very latest with the MX Fuel system.
We're going to be introducing 2 additional kits here in the end of the year. The first one's going to be the MX Fuel 14-inch cutoff saw with 2 XC batteries. And then we're also going to have an expansion kit with 2 XC batteries and a charger, which is going to allow people to purchase the saw and the expansion kit if they want to be able to cut these longer 8 to 10 foot trench applications, which are a little bit more common, especially in these basement environments.
What's next for MX Fuel?
On the immediate horizon, we're going to have the MX Fuel carry-on power supply and the MX Fuel rocket tower light shipping in early next year. And those are 2 great solutions that'll continue to drive those benefits of no emissions and versatility on the light that allows you to work indoors and outdoors with more output.
Episode 2 of Milwaukee Pipeline is right around the corner.
I'm really excited to talk to you about the first of several laser solutions that you're going to see from us today. And it all starts with the 2 newest additions to the M12 system, in our cross and points laser, as well as a 360 3-plane solution. Each of these products are going to deliver self-leveling accuracy, all-green lasers, and durability features that you've come to expect, like IP rating and impact protection, so that they're going to stand up to the job sites you walk onto every single day. Above that, we're going to utilize that M12 battery to deliver best visibility and runtime that's going to stay with you all day no matter how long you're on site. We're also innovating the setup process of a laser. We're making it more efficient and faster so that you can get your layout and install done quicker when using a laser. But first, let's talk about that visibility. When we were learning about the category and doing research with you on your sites, you made it very clear. A bright and easy to see laser is arguably the #1 most critical feature in having a good laser. And it's not just about powering a green beam, it's also about having that visibility at distance. It's not uncommon to shoot a laser 30, 50, 100 feet, sometimes even further, and the bottom line is you want to be able to shoot that laser as far as you can possibly see so that you can maximize the amount of work that you're doing off of that one reference point. Both M12 lasers are going to use high-powered green diodes to deliver that type of visibility at that distance. In order to deliver that visibility advantage, it's really important that you have a battery that you can trust to drive that sort of power. Think about it. If you're on site for a standard 8-hour shift, or if you're working overtime and running 12s, you don't want to be constantly running back to your job box to switch batteries because it's lost productivity. Each of our M12 lasers is going to deliver over 15 hours of runtime, and that's with all lasers on. It's also the only 12-volt solution in the market that's going to be compatible with a 6-amp-hour battery and every other M12 battery that we have on the market. Runtime and visibility are pretty obvious needs when it comes to a laser. But if you're really going to start addressing efficiency on job sites, you got to talk about the setup process when you're using that laser. As you know, doing long runs of material, whether it's running pipe overhead at 50 or 100 feet or laying out stud track, that process can be very tedious and time-consuming trying to get that perfect alignment accurately. Because of this, we've integrated a micro-control feature that pivots on point so that you're going to be able to get that smooth, precise adjustment much quicker, saving you time, making you more efficient. Integrating microcontrol is a testament to how we're working to make you more efficient on the job site. But we also know it's important to be versatile. That's why we've integrated our magnetic mount directly into the laser unit, so you're not having to search the job site for scattered accessories just to get your magnetic hold. And this bracket's equipped with amplified rare earth magnets that are going to stick to virtually any metal surface, and they're not going to slide, so you know that your work's going to be accurate, but maybe more importantly, it's going to protect it from drops and falls on site.
312 AA batteries, $150 and 10 orders submitted to the tool crib. Those are the average stats for a AA powered green laser. Now multiply that over 25 lasers on a job site, and you're talking about a pretty penny. On top of that, some leading competitors only provide 3 to 6 hours of runtime, forcing users to stop mid-application, swap out batteries, and forcing the painful setup process that Garrett mentioned to happen again. If you want longer runtime, you can buy a red laser, but that sacrifices visibility, making your job harder to complete. So you're forced to make a trade-off between runtime and visibility. Milwaukee Tool has the solution. The red lithium USB lasers will provide all-day runtime and uncompromised visibility ending the trade-off. No one likes making trade-offs on the job site, especially when it comes to product performance. And sacrificing runtime for visibility is no different. Depending on the application, you may want to leave your laser on over breaks to avoid bumping your laser and moving your line. But if your laser dies mid-application, you're now forced to move your laser, replace the batteries, and start the painful setup process over again. The new red lithium USB lasers are powered by the red lithium USB 3 amp hour battery, which provides you removable, rechargeable convenience and performance while maintaining a compact size. It will also provide over 8 hours of runtime with all lines on. For most of you, this means you can get through an entire day of work without worrying about your power. You can swap out batteries at the end of the day or charge the battery in the unit. It will also run and charge at the same time if you have an M18 or M12 power source. But overall, here's the math. One red lithium USB battery replaces up to 6,000 AA batteries, reducing your cost of ownership by up to $3,600. One way competitors try to improve runtime is by offering red lasers. Because like Garrett mentioned, green lasers offer a huge improvement in visibility over red, but they also consume considerably more power. Now, you don't have to sacrifice visibility to maintain runtime with red lithium USB lasers. They provide a high-intensity green laser that is visible up to 100 feet on the crossline lasers and 150 feet on the 3-point. Not only are they 4 times brighter than red lasers, they're also brighter than leading AA-powered green lasers on the market, while maintaining that great battery life that I just mentioned. Both red lithium USB crossline lasers have that micro control feature that Garrett walked you through earlier. It gives you that ultra-fine control when setting up your laser. The 3-point laser features an adjustable clearance bracket that provides clearance over steel track and space for marking points on the floor. These lasers also have amplified rare earth magnets for a secure hold. Milwaukee also offers a family of accessories that improve the setup process even more. First, we have a 360 laser bracket that is adaptable to any situation. With the multi-plane rotational adjustment, you can easily mount lasers overhead on a steel beam or on a narrow horizontal material like a scissor lift. In place, you can easily adjust the laser up and down with the precision vertical adjustment, which helps with setting elevation. Next, a laser target that is a huge improvement in what's offered in the market right now. Not only does it have a highly reflective green surface, but the X design guides you to the center for faster, more accurate alignment. The wide magnetic base is perfect for point-to-point transfer on the floor or being used overhead. Finally, we're launching a laser track clip that is ideal for drop ceiling installation. It has a screw and nail and zip tie loops for attaching to wood, drywall, and pipe as well. But that's not all. Early next year, there'll be a 165-foot laser detector and a 72-inch laser tripod. We are excited to disrupt the alkaline laser market by offering a rechargeable solution that provides the power and visibility you need while maintaining a compact size.
I'm excited to show you the worst kept pack-out secret, the 2-drawer and 3-drawer toolboxes. We know that durability is a key feature for you on the job site and that you demand a lot out of your storage products. So we built these to meet those demands with metal reinforced corners, impact resistant construction, and the capability to hold 50 pounds. Each unit comes with a set of quick adjust drawer dividers, allowing you the ability to customize the layout of your drawer, which fits best for whatever tools or materials you're storing. This next feature, I think you're going to love. These drawers have the ability to be latch and padlock shut, which is going to keep your items secure and also keep the drawers closed in transit or if you accidentally tip them over on the job site. As you can see, going with the pack-out drawers was the best choice. Look for these in stores in February of 2021. As you know, we spend a lot of time on the job site doing research to continually make our products better. And one thing that we have noticed is how so many of you customize your pack-out stacks to make you more productive or to better suit the workstation for you. So we have created the pack-out customizable worktop to make it easier for you to do those things. With its half-inch marine grade plywood top, impact resistant body, and 50-pound weight capacity, you're going to be able to mount any of those quick access items that you need at the top of your stack, such as chargers, vices, or even a power source. If you don't mount anything to it, you also have that nice assembly area or a smooth surface for writing. Look for the PackOut customizable worktop coming to you in November of this year. The next item being added to the PackOut lineup is the two-wheel cart. The two-wheel cart was designed to transport PackOut items in two different ways, either hanging them from the rear cleats or clipped and stacked into the foldable tow plate. Whether you're hauling loaded PackOut items or heavy and bulky items, this cart will easily get the job done. That's due to its heavy-duty construction and 400-pound weight capacity. You may have noticed that the wheels are set interior to the frame, and that's to allow this cart to easily maneuver the job site, getting through those tight and narrow spaces, or just getting it onto the job site and fitting it through a door. Last but not least, we also integrated long tool storage. This is going to allow you to transport your levels, your conduit benders, and those other long items that are awkward to carry. Be on the lookout for the PackOut two-wheel cart hitting your stores in October of this year. Transporting and storing tools is all about making the most of the space that you have available, and the new PackOut racking shelves are going to allow you to do just that. With their horizontal and vertical E-Track compatibility, you'll be able to place them anywhere you need E-Track. The shelves are easy to move, adjust, and install in the back of your vehicle, in a shop, and in a garage. Even though they're easy to move and adjust, these shelves are still extremely durable. While in the vehicle, they have a 50-pound weight capacity. Look for these shelves hitting stores in February of 2021. I was able to walk you through a few new PackOut products today. The customizable worktop, 2- and 3-drawer toolbox, two-wheel cart, and now the racking shelves, and we look forward to seeing how you incorporate them into your PackOut system.
We're really excited to introduce the next generation of the M18 Fuel Sawzall. The upgraded tech in these allows them to be the fastest cutting Sawzall in their class. Second, they're lightweight. We were able to shave out over a ½ pound compared to the first generation while still improving the performance. Professionals use these on the job site day in and day out, so we wanted to engineer the most durable Sawzall yet. Built that around an improved slider crank mechanism. In addition to that, added a wear-resistant blade change, anti-corrosion blade clamp, and metal reinforced battery rails. One of the things we did was we added stainless steel components to the blade clamp to help prevent that corrosion and extend the functionality of that piece over life. We are launching a second generation of the 1-key version as well. And in addition to all those improvements we just talked about with the M18 Fuel Sawzall, it's gonna have security, tracking, and tool customization. But it's all going to be in a much cleaner, more simple to use app format, which means these things can be set up and out to site much faster than the previous generation. Now, one of the features that I really want to highlight on this one is called cut brake. Now, cut brake can automatically stop the blade at the end of the cut in most applications, even if the trigger's still engaged. What that's going to do is it's going to prevent cutting or damaging any sensitive materials beyond the cut.
So when can our pros actually get their hands on these tools?
So the M18 Fuel Sawzall is going to be available in November of 2020, and the version with 1-key is going to be available in January of 2021.
Record with carbide teeth is our newest carbide teeth blade for demolition and remodeling. Designed with an optimized carbide grade, it is built to last through all the materials you will face when doing demo jobs. Whether you are up against wood, metal, plastic, cement board, or roofing material, these blades will not only do the job faster, but will stand up to the task with extreme durability. The carbide wrecker is now available at a distributor near you, but we aren't stopping there. Up next, I'd like to introduce to you the new Torch with nitrous carbide. With a unique, new-to-world carbide blend, this blade has over 3 times the life of standard carbide teeth blades in cast iron, while also delivering the fastest cuts in thick metal. Finally, to demonstrate the unmatched power of our thick metal blade, let's see a head-to-head demo against a competitive carbide teeth blade. Torch with nitrous carbide blade bites into the material faster and has increased cutting speed throughout the entire cut versus the competition. We strive to be on the forefront of innovation, and our carbide teeth sawzall blades are no different. We also now offer a 12-inch blade, in addition to the 6-inch and 9-inch blades launched earlier this year. With the addition of 3 carbide teeth sawzall blade product lines launched in 2020, we are now able to offer you the best carbide blade for every application.
Today, I'm excited to share with you our newest innovations to our masonry and concrete accessories. First up, all new Shockwave carbide hammer drill bits, which deliver you up to 5 times longer life in concrete over standard masonry drill bits. We also have all new Shockwave multi-material drill bits that offer you the most flexibility on the job, with the capability to tackle materials such as concrete, brick, block, metal, tile, wood, PVC, and more. Now, what I'm most excited to share with all of you today is our new upgrades to our SDS Plus and Max MX4 4-cutter drill bits. These bits are made with solid head carbide, which provides you with dramatically longer bit life and durability in rebar, allowing you to complete more holes on the job. There's no better way to show you how our MX4 bits deliver more durability in rebar than with a head-to-head demo. We start by heating up the carbide tips to extreme temperatures, simulating how hot the bits get when you drill multiple holes into rebar. Then we test the bits in concrete embedded with rebar. As you can see, our durable carbide bond withstands the heat better than the competition, providing you with longer life and ultimate durability in rebar.
Whether you're a general contractor cleaning up concrete overpour or a demolition company breaking up concrete slabs, our sledge chisels maintain their edges, extending the life and performance of your bits. Sledge chisels stay sharper longer, helping you get more done on the job. These chisels are designed with reinforced edges to reduce wear, while the longer tips allow our bits to last longer in concrete demolition. We conducted a 25-hour durability test to show you how our bits outlast the competition. As you can see, the competitive chisels are completely worn down, and most of them are useless after 25 hours of use, whereas our sledge chisel has the most life left. These chisels are available in a wide range of tip types in both SDS Plus and Max, allowing you to tackle any project that gets thrown your way. Here at Milwaukee, we are proud to offer you a complete range of best-in-class masonry and concrete solutions. All of these new products are available now to help you complete the toughest of applications on any job site.
I'm excited to be on site today talking with Kevin about Milwaukee's new M18 Fuel 14-inch abrasive chop saw.
This saw has been able to cut anything that my corded saw has been able to. For 18 gauge studs, which are a little bit heavier duty, we've been able to cut about 30 to 35. This tool we can take anywhere. In some of our hotels or any of our industrial applications, we've been able to take them from one end to the building to the other, cut studs, and then not have to intrude on anybody with any type of cords. So we've always been using the 12.0, and then for our 20 to 25 gauge, we cut them in bundles, and we've been able to get about 200 studs per battery pack.
And how much of a day's work is that?
It's about 4 hours worth of cuts for us.
So about half a day.
Yes.
On one 12.0. Yep. That's great to hear. Are there any other features on this saw that you found beneficial as you've been using it?
Yeah, one of the things that I really like is the keyless chuck. Over time, the Allen key gets lost or somebody rounds out the bolt that actually goes through. So having a keyless chuck for us has been beneficial to just take it off and pop on a blade.
That's awesome. I'm glad that feature's really hit home with you. Any thoughts on the rapid stop brake and how that might have changed how you use this saw?
Yeah, to see it actually in this saw has been great for us. Just another safety feature that we like, aside from being cordless, so we're not having to drive around cords.
That's great. So we've added a new feature on this saw, which is our indicator light. How has that helped you and your guys?
Yeah, the indicator light lets us know that, we're bogging down the motor and ultimately the battery. So over time, you kind of learn to work with the saw as you're going through your cuts.
It's great.
Today I'm excited to introduce you to the M18 Force Logic 6-ton utility crimping family. The individual crimpers are optimized for use in specific orientations, giving you the choice of tool that best matches your needs while maintaining compatibility with 8 different crimping and cutting jaws. So let's get into our latest new product launch, and newest member of the family, the M18 Force Logic 6-ton linear utility crimper. Like all Force Logic products, this crimper has been designed from the ground up to deliver the fastest, most versatile way to crimp.
I'm going to get us started with our new fiberglass drill bits.
Oh wow, that went through that in seconds.
Yeah, and how's the tip look?
Oh, that looks fantastic. That was amazing.
So we're seeing with our carbide design that we deliver over 400 holes. How do you see this helping you and your crew?
We'll be able to get a lot more done. The production will go up. That is going to be awesome for us.
Our new fiberglass drill bits are going to be launching in 2021, and we'll have a 12-inch length for cross arms and a 22-inch length for fiberglass poles. They'll have a laser etch for easy identification and a 7/16 hex shank for a quick connect to impact wrenches.
I'm excited to announce our new high leverage and 5-in-1 ratcheting wrenches, now with a milled strike face. Knowing these tools need to be tough, we've got the most durable ratchet, a durable forged steel design, and then that built-in hammer. You're going to see a square socket for those common square hardware, and then on the 5-in-1, we've got 9/16 and 3/4 built in. Knowing that you're often working with thick gloves, we've got large directional switches for that easy directional change. And knowing that these tools are often used as a hammer, we've got that built-in strike face, now with the milled version, so you no longer need to worry about carrying a separate hammer as you're climbing. You've got that tool all built into one solution. Now let's talk bolt cutters. When out doing research, we found that when you're working in common utility environments, there was often obstacles or tight spaces, making current cutting solutions difficult to use. Here's the answer to that. Our new fiberglass bolt cutters with pivot move rotating handles. They're going to give you the best access, making for easier cuts in those tight situations. They have 1,000-volt UL classified handles and built-in tether-ready lanyard holes. Knowing that cutting situations are often difficult, we've got forged steel blades and bolt lock technology so that the blades won't loosen, giving you that longer life. Last but not least, the slim ergonomic handles are going to make for easy storage in a tool apron. Speaking of storage, let's cover our new storage solutions.
First is our compact aerial tool apron. As we were out doing research, we understood that there was frustrations with staying organized and productive in single buckets. This compact aerial tool apron is going to feature 18 custom pockets, so you're going to have room for all of your common hand tools and accessories. It's also going to feature a built-in auger bit holder that won't burn through, perfect for those new fiberglass drill bits. It's a vinyl construction, so you've got that lasting durability day in and day out. You can easily hang it from your bucket with our new 2-inch or 3-inch bucket hooks. Last but not least on our new storage solutions is our canvas utility bucket. It's going to feature some of the same things you know and love about our current solution, like the swiveling large carabiner. Rated for up to 75 pounds, it's going to feature a durable impact resistant base. It's going to have the durability you need day in and day out on the job.
Our 7-in-1 high leverage combination pliers features 7 core functions for electrical installation. The high leverage handles deliver easier cutting. The wide jaw pliers make grabbing and twisting wire easy, while the crimper provides added functionality when working with both insulated and non-insulated terminals. The wire stripper and loop maker allow for quick wire prep. The built-in reamer can be used on 1/2-inch through 1-inch conduit, while the bolt cutter cuts number 6 and number 8 bolts.
So later this year, we're going to be rolling out the next generation of the M18 Force Logic press tool, and this time it's 1 key compatible. So that's really going to elevate the benefits that this tool is going to provide. A 1 key compatible tool is going to take quality assurance, your fleet management, and also your tracking and security to the next level. Press data is going to be recorded on the tool and sent wirelessly so that you can actually review it on a mobile device or a desktop. In the eyes of a contractor, so like Dennis or Ron, they're going to be able to generate customizable reports with that information and use it to assure inspectors and other stakeholders that their tools are operating properly at all times.
Expansion PEX has continued to grow in popularity in the US since we launched our M12 solution 9 years ago. With years of reliability, we're dedicated to providing you the most consistent installations. Our auto-rotating mechanism has been and will continue to be at the foundation for even expansions of PEX that you have come to expect. Now, every job requires numerous connections to be made, often in difficult to access areas. And with each connection, the tool needs to run multiple expansions. Using Field Technologies, we're delivering you the fastest 3/8-inch to 1-inch expansions, all on the same footprint. To save even more time on larger sizes, our new heads will require less expansions to be made, while still maintaining the expected time to insert a fitting. These 2 speed improvements will save you up to 35% of your time making connections. Before completing installation, a pressure test is required to confirm that a connection has sealed. But temperature can impact the time that you might need to wait for that testing process. That is why we're excited to announce our ProPEX expander heads with Rapid Seal, designed to reduce the time that it takes for a connection to seal. To demonstrate these heads sealing performance as temperatures decrease, we ran a side-by-side connection in a cooler set to 45 degrees with these new Rapid Seal heads against the competitors. After waiting a short time for the PEX to come to grip, we're running 80 psi air, commonly required for testing, through each connection. With Milwaukee's connection sealing significantly faster, installers using these new Rapid Seal heads can pass their pressure test and get moving on to the next job site, while installers using competitive expander heads will wait around for their connections to seal. You'll see the benefit of these new Rapid Seal expander heads alongside the M12 Fuel ProPEX expander launching at the end of the year.
Milwaukee, we're excited to announce our expansion of our head protection line. It includes our 6-point ratcheting suspension hard hats and our Type 2 helmet. We're also expanding our line of our bolt accessory system so that you can interchange and wear multiple accessories at the same time so you can adapt to your job site. Let's start with our 6-point ratcheting hard hat. This features 6 accessory slots and is compatible with our bolt accessory system. It also includes our adjustable swinging ratchet so that you can have that all-day comfort and extended wear. These hard hats come in full and front brims, as well as Class C vented and Class E unvented options. We've also heard your feedback, which is why with our existing 4-point hard hats and our new 6-point hard hats, we will be adding 8 different colors. All of our Milwaukee hard hats come with our bolt headlamp mount, so you can securely attach headlamps without the use of straps or clips. This frees up additional space for all types of accessories, including earmuffs, a sun visor, or face shield. All new Milwaukee accessories we're announcing today. Let's talk about these new accessories. Starting with our bolt earmuffs. These are designed with lightweight protection and adjustable wear. They can be easily rotated off your ears to reduce neck fatigue after long periods of use. They can also be clicked in and clicked out for easy convenience on the job site. Next, our visor with sunshade. This innovative new product is designed to stay cool. It blocks harmful UV rays, keeping you protected, as well as features moisture-wicking materials so you can stay cool and dry fast. Lastly, our new Bolt face shield. This face shield is compatible with headlamps for better visibility. It also features an anti-scratch coating on the outside of the lens and an anti-fog coating on the inside of the lens so that you can see clearly throughout the day. Our Bolt accessory system allows you to interchange and wear multiple accessories at the same time without having to sacrifice performance for protection. Compatible with all of our head protection, be on the lookout as we continue to expand our Bolt accessory system.
At Milwaukee, we strive to solve your frustrations and are constantly developing new products to better fit your job site needs. That's why we're excited to expand our line of safety glasses. We now offer anti-scratch glasses with a durable hard coat to withstand the job site. These new anti-scratch glasses will also be offered a magnification of plus 1.0 to plus 3.0. However, we know that durability is not the only problem on the job site, so we are announcing our new fog-free safety glasses that will not fog when transitioning from indoor to outdoor environments and have a washable coating for longer life. Both our anti-scratch and fog-free glasses will have comfortable temple arms for all-day comfort. These will be available in clear and tinted, as well as yellow for low-light environments and gray for when transitioning from indoor to outdoor. As you can see with our safety glasses, we are dedicated to providing innovative solutions to better fit your job site needs. Next, we're excited to talk about another new product, our face masks. We will now be launching both a 2-layer mask and a 3-layer performance mask. They are made of soft, breathable material and are moisture wicking, making them lightweight and breathable. These machine washable face masks are also antimicrobial to prevent odor-causing bacteria. Built with adjustable ear loops and a flexible nose bridge to fit more comfortably for extended wear. The 3-layer performance mask has a more structured design to separate the mask from the mouth for all-day comfort. It also comes in 2 sizes to ensure a better fit.
Milwaukee knee pads deliver a exceptional amount of comfort. These really stabilize your knee and keep you comfort when you're sliding around on the ground.
The gel padding on them was phenomenal. Didn't really feel any pressure on my knees at all.
They're very comfortable as far as getting up and down. They weren't overly bulky.
The pressure-reducing foam is given a considerable amount of relief on your kneecap, which makes it easy to wear them for a longer period of time.
I can wear them all day and still be comfortable. You almost don't even notice they're there.
These new Milwaukee knee pads are comfortable, they're durable, they stand up, nothing penetrated them.
In the new Milwaukee knee pad, the large black cap is a quality product. It has a flat face, so when you are sliding around on the ground, your knee stabilizes inside of the knee pad, which makes it significantly more comfortable.
Different surfaces and stuff that you're kneeling on, you got a lot of sharp edges, a lot of jagged things, and being able to withstand a lot of that, very important. You do spend a considerable money on knee pads. If they wear out in a week or two, it becomes a big problem, where I don't see that happening with these at all.
The advantage of the hinge is it keeps it above your knee, so it keeps the gel and all the additional padding centered on your knee. They don't constantly slide up and down.
The less you're spending time adjusting the knee pads, the more productive you're going to be.
The Milwaukee knee pads are comfortable, you can wear them all day, they're durable, they last, your knees don't hurt at the end of the day.
Yeah, anytime you're on your knees, anything that's going to take the pressure off of a hard surface is going to be great. And these do a phenomenal job of doing that.
We're committed to keeping you safe and productive. That's why we've been working hard to engineer and design a safety vest that helps to solve your frustrations of overheating on the job site. I'm excited to announce our new high visibility mesh safety vest. This vest has lightweight, breathable mesh material with moisture wicking technology to help you stay cool and dry. Our vest also has antimicrobial or anti-odor and is perfect for hot environments. This vest will be available in a Class 2 and Class 3 style, as well as in breakaway and CSA options. For those who need a vest with greater durability and even more carrying capacity, we have our new high visibility Surveyor's vest. Our Surveyor's vest has been constructed to stand up to job site conditions and is made with tear resistant material and has reinforced pockets and edges, as well as 27 pockets for maximum carrying capacity. This vest also has antimicrobial and moisture wicking to help you stay comfortable. Our mesh vest for hot environments and our Surveyor's vest for greater carrying capacity and maximum durability add to Milwaukee's lineup of safety vests and help us deliver on our commitment to keeping you safe and productive.
To our lineup of tethering solutions to help reduce the risk associated with drop tools, we will be launching new hard hat lanyards and retractable lanyards. In addition, we are also launching banded earplugs that can be worn in 3 different orientations for added comfort.
The Milwaukee M18 Rocket Tower Light and Charger. Built to adapt, perform, and survive. The Tower Light is designed to be easily transported anywhere with its new balanced carry rail, bag design, and 5-second setup time. Keep all devices and M18 batteries charged with its AC power and USB out. The new tower light has doubled in performance, offering 6,000 lumens of True View HD output in both task and area lighting. 3 modes allow users to manage the light's output, keeping you productive for up to 10 hours of runtime. The tower light is ready for outdoor use with an IP54 rating, making sure it survives the beatings of the job site. Step up with the new Rocket Tower Light that is built to adapt, perform, and survive. Dedicated to deliver the best-in-class performance, size, and weight. Milwaukee's M18 Rover dual power floodlight is built to adapt, perform, and survive. The Rover dual power floodlight is part of the M18 system and provides up to 12 hours of runtime with an M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery. For all-day runtime, plug in an extension cord to the sealed AC inlet. Adapt to any job site with 120 degrees of light head rotation for upwards or downwards lighting, and quickly mount the light to surfaces using the 4 keyhole mounting slots. With 4,000 lumens of True View high-definition output, the M18 Rover dual power floodlight is the best performing floodlight in its class. Proven to survive the elements on the job site, the M18 Rover dual power floodlight is built to withstand drops and is IP54 rated for water and dust resistance. Milwaukee High Output Lighting adapts, performs, and survives in the most demanding job site conditions. Experience compact portable lighting built to adapt, perform, and survive in the most demanding job site conditions. Milwaukee introduces the M12 Rover service and repair floodlight with USB charging. The compact size and form of this light allows you to grip it for comfortable handheld inspection. High-strength magnets and keyhole mounting slots give you the ability to stick it to your work surface for hand-free use. The M12 Rover service and repair floodlight delivers 700 lumens of True View high-definition output with up to 24 hours of runtime with an XC 4.0 pack. Built to adapt to the job site, pivot the light head 110 degrees for a directional task lighting solution. The floodlight comes equipped with built-in USB charging to power your small electronic devices while on the job. Proven to survive the elements on the job site, the M12 Rover service and repair floodlight is IP54 water and dust resistant and can survive drops from up to 9 feet. Milwaukee High Output Lighting adapts, performs, and survives in the most demanding job site conditions.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.